Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wind of Change on piano. We will begin by identifying the song's main key, which is C major. Then, we will learn the four essential chords: C, G, A minor, and F. These foundational chords are crucial for playing the entire song. Practice the basic chord progression for the verse to build a strong base. Now, let's focus on hand coordination. Your left hand will primarily play the root notes of each chord, providing a solid bass foundation. Meanwhile, your right hand will handle the full chord voicings, adding richness to the sound. It is important to maintain a steady rhythm, ensuring both hands work together smoothly for a cohesive performance. Next, we will incorporate the memorable melody. The main melody primarily uses notes from the C major scale, making it accessible. Focus on practicing the iconic whistle melody in your right hand, ensuring it flows smoothly. Then, coordinate this melody with the left-hand bass notes to create a full and recognizable rendition of the song. To master Wind of Change, begin by practicing slowly and gradually increase your tempo as you gain confidence. Repeat each section until it feels comfortable and natural under your fingers. Listening to the original song frequently will help you internalize the timing and overall feel, allowing you to play with more expression and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.